everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you all the recipe of immunity boosting smoothie. So let's get started. For this you will need 4 oranges peeled and sliced without seeds, 1 ripe banana sliced, 1 skinny carrot 6-inch peeled and sliced, 1 piece fresh ginger 1-inch peeled and minced, 60 grams of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey and salt to taste. Drop in all the healthy ingredients in the jar. You can also grate the carrot before putting it into the jar if you want to avoid the chunky pieces. Blend all the ingredients really well and the smoothie will be ready in a minute. This smoothie is really helpful to boost your immunity power instantly. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and stay healthy.